Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again for another video. In this video, I will gonna show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So if you are planning to deactivate your account on Facebook, then this is the right video for you. I will gonna teach you properly on how to do it. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing you got to do is open your Facebook app. Once you've opened the app, tap the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. And then tap this. Now go to Information and Permissions. And then go to Account Ownership and Control. After tapping it, you will see the deactivation option. Just tap it. Now tap Continue. And here you will just need to enter your Facebook password. And here just choose whatever your reason for deactivating your account. Once you've chosen, tap Continue. Tap Continue again. And for the last, tap Deactivate My Account button. And after that, your account will automatically deactivated. Your Facebook profile, including your posts, photos, and friends, will be hidden after deactivating your account. So that's all for this video guys. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and you can also comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.